Hi, and welcome to day 12 of Autohive's 12 Days of Christmas. Are you tired of juggling transcription tools and inviting awkward bots to your calls just to capture what you said? Today, we're introducing Autohive meetings, built directly into your workspaces. With a single click, you get an instant transcript, an AI-powered summary, and clear next steps when your meeting ends. You can even chat with your transcript to pull out key insights or pass it to another agent to automate your follow-ups. It's all connected, all in one place. Autohive Meetings already comes with your existing subscription, no per-seat licensing, or you only pay for what you use. Now let me show you how it works. To access the new Meetings functions, click on the Meetings tab at the top of any workspace. You'll be taken to a page that lets you start a recording. Once you're ready to start your meeting, hit Start Recording. From here, you can speak as usual and everything will be recorded so that it can be transcribed later on. Once you're ready to stop recording, hit the button here. This will upload your audio and get it ready for transcription so that our AI's agents can summarize everything for you. Now this is a quick recording, so nothing really was taken here. But let's have a look at one I've recorded before. I was actually recording this while doing a demo for you guys. So let's quickly ask a question about what was the script during this video? Now as you can see, here's the data extracted. You can see my question was answered here. This is really helpful if you're trying to focus on the conversation at hand rather than just taking notes. So, Autohive Meetings takes you from scattered notes and missed follow-ups to a fully integrated meeting intelligence system in minutes. Try Autohive Meetings in your workspace today. We hope you've enjoyed our 12 Days of Christmas series. You can catch a replay of all of our feature drops in our blogs. From all of us here, have a Merry Christmas and a Happy 2026.